swans over there. They're just right in the basking right in the sunshine where the sun hits the water. Don't know if we'll be able to get them on film for you guys or not. We've got a boat that's been coming in, probably been out for the day, been a beautiful afternoon today. Might go and have a cup of tea with my mate who's a member over here at the government. $50 for a year, and you can go in and have a cup of tea, cup of coffee. Doesn't cost you anything once you've paid your membership, and you can overlook the river every day if you like for the whole year for $50. Go up and have a meal. Pretty damn good. Beautiful day, walking their dogs. It's almost May. Sensation. It's been about 27 degrees today. Blue sky. Crystal clear waters. I'm sure other parts of the world would love to have water as clear as this. Look, you can see the bottom there. Very lucky to have this waterway here. I guess where the ocean meets the river, it's great. They just come in and it works as a washing machine, as a cleansing action for the river to keep it nice and clean. I'll see if I can get these swans again in a moment. Dogs cruising along, having a play. I know this guy out here. I'll go have a look. Boat out over there with their drop nets, doing a bit of crabbing. Swans, they're still in the sun over there. I don't think we've got them on camera here folks. A nice fish. Obviously, a lady just landed a nice little flathead here. You got a flathead, eh?
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Yeah, they're good.
Are they?
That's the best eating fish you can get.
Really? Do you want it?
No. I've been up north in Kalbarri for a week, catching them a bit bigger than that, so yeah. Yeah, they do, but yeah. Might be a bit small, I think. Definitely. How you going?
Hi, how are you?
Any around?
I don't know. I just came to try.
Yeah.
You ever been here?
Yeah, I come down here a bit. Yeah.
Catch any?
Yeah, you know, we get a few.
They're getting few, is it?
Sometimes, I don't know. It's just, sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here, you know?
Because I haven't come here for a long time.
Yeah. Sometimes they're here and they run. If you get them, they'll be big though, this time of the year.
Is it?
They'll be big.
Okay. You have to try to get it, eh?
Oh yeah, if you haven't got your nets in the water or your bait in the water, you got no chance, have you?
So anyway, it's a beautiful day. So I'm just thinking
Yeah, you might go alright, you might get it. It's perfect for it, you know?
it's nice and warm today. So I don't know. It's up to
I'm sure you'll get a few.
yeah.
You'll get a few.
Well, I don't know. Honestly,
Yeah, they get pretty big this time of the year, so if you get them, you'll probably get 3 or 4 big ones, you know?
yeah, I just,
Which is better than 6 small ones, you know?
well, we have to measure it.
You won't need to measure them, I doubt it. Oh, there'll still be a few small ones around, but yeah. So this lady just caught a beautiful little flathead here. Beautiful tasting fish, those flathead. I don't think she's keeping it for bait somehow. I've got a feeling she's going to eat that one. I think she wants a feed. That's our off a fishing boat, off a fishing car, or kayak I should say. Raring to go. Go for a walk along here. We'll come back and see if that guy's got any crabs later. Give you guys a glimpse of how clean the water is. It's beautiful. Don't know where those swans have gone. We might have them on video, I'll see. Look at these for boats. Absolutely brilliant boats. I think it's time off of fishing invested in one. Still trying to find the swans, but can't find any. Little baby magpie. walk down here a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, I walk down here a lot, but sometimes they're here, sometimes they're not here. But if they're here this time of the year, they're pretty big.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they're here, you know. But you might. They're out of it. Yeah. Off here is the best. Yeah, bro, when the big one's caught, straight out there. There must be a channel off that corner there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's why I'm waiting.
Exactly. You're trying to get the feeling they might be out there, don't you?
Yeah. Well, see, what's happened is, you see that triangle there?
Yes.
Let's say you could call it Kata Bank.
Correct.
And I don't know why they don't use there, because I know they're very shallow and come big.
Between there and here. Yeah.
It looks like they were getting more on the side there.
Yes. Oh, they might hold on that long up road. That won't get a good long road out there. Yeah.
Well, used to go to
Oh, I've done a little bit of that. So you used to climb down Blackwell Reach and throw your net off the rocks. Yeah, 'cause it's about
that's where my rock is.
yeah, it's about 90 foot there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. No, it's not.
I don't know why. You know, brewery, we used to
Can't get onto the brewery anymore. You have to what? Well, I got kicked off there in January. Because it's now a private jetty by the people that buy the units there. No, they had a security guard there that came through me and a mate off. We were crabbing there. Yeah. So I saw a guy catching really big crabs there that morning. So I went there, he came and threw us off. I liked it because I was having dinner there and then there we were crabbing, you know, at the restaurant.
That's right, because it belongs to the public.
Correct.
Yeah. All the shores here, you know where the fence is.
Yeah.
Fence is okay. But this side of the river belongs to the public. Even here. Yeah.
Well,
I don't know.
what do you do? You know, like.
And then Applecross is good jetty. Yeah. And now the Applecross jetty is only from there to there. It's just very narrow. It's only
Yeah.
2 people that can go there. But
Yeah.
before they have, you know, the old path, the old bus blanket.
Yes.
Yeah. People used to fish a lot there. But I write a letter. I've got to talk to the council. Says, we're going to fix it. We have only $5,000 for this year. Rubbish. They're never done it.
Yeah. But yeah, no, so they won't let you on. Well, if you go there at night, I'll have a security guard there, mate. You won't get on.
But it's can't believe it. Belongs to the public.
And they're doing repairs on it anyway, so they just say sorry, get off because
It's not repairs, it's brand new jetty there.
correct.
I understand there's not many parks there. The parking is for the restaurant, fair enough. But you can park opposite the
Well, what they're doing is they're selling the units for exclusive use of the jetty, which is wrong.
cycle path. I don't mind. I mean, it's a sport there, but also a sport for us. You know, you can't sit in there.
So you put a couple of nets in, have you? You put a couple of nets in.
One because I got
The cover. Look, here he is.
no, this one. This one's right. He wants to get.
Let's video this little guy, eh?
He wants the food. Somebody's sitting. So that's what he's saying.
Look at him coming to get fed.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Beautiful bird.
Aren't they? Look how close he is. Wow.
They're very young too.
He's just a young one?
Someone in the old ones with their white stripes.
The swans were pretty friendly though on the...
See the white strip there?
Yes?
That's small.
That means they're young, does it?
When it gets bigger, you know, the white distinction comes out. But a couple of years ago, it was two babies in another spring.
Yes.
Yeah, but never see them.
You're not afraid, are they? They come here to get fed and they get... They're on the bank. I was really close to one of them, probably one of his mates anyway, but just last week. Just
when
that.
the people start feeding them.
Yeah, they know.
People,
Yeah.
They keep coming. They keep coming to the same spot.
Yes.
You know? And of course, you know, if people don't let to feed them.
That's right. They get hand fed.
Years ago, it was a dog from down in Belmont. There was an old guy. He used to have a sack of all bread, and he used to feed them. But I don't know if they're still there or not.
Sensational. They're beautiful, aren't they? But yeah, no, they came right up onto the bank last week. I was having a cup of coffee with a friend of mine at the yacht club. And they just came right up to the, cause just almost like a dog getting a pat.
Yeah, see where the bot is?
Yes, they're getting fed there.
A couple there?
Yep.
Yeah. They must give him the food.
Yeah, they're right at the boat, aren't they? Coming in for an afternoon feed.
Very hard to get a photo.
It is. There you go. Yeah.
When it gets older, you can see the whole strip of white.
A lot wider. Okay. Who taught you that? How did you know that?
Because I'm living very close to Narrowsbridge.
Okay.
So I'm fishing for years there.
And you see them.
So I've seen them many times there.
Yeah.
So dolphins, you know. Dolphins coming in here.
Oh, they come right up to the shore, almost.
Yeah, they come through there, chase the mullet.
Yeah.
They're going out, and then
Oh, do they go in between the pylons under the jetty?
Yeah, yeah, they do, yeah. What it was last week I saw them in Belmont till 3 o'clock. Again, coming out.
Yeah, I just got back from fishing up in Kalbarri, so I like going up there for a big tailor. You know, it's a bit hard to get enthused again down here.
Well, it's a nice sport in Kalbarri.
Yeah.
I've fished for years. You have to go very, very inside in the river. You get the boat, you get out of the boat. You walk about 20 meters to get the bank out, and then you pass in. It's a very deep area there.
Across the other side of the...
Inside. No, not on the mouth. The other side. You know, going inside the river.
Yes.
When you go with a boat, you know, you start getting shallow.
Yeah.
So you have to walk from here to the post there.
Yeah.
Then start the motor again. And
Yeah.
after that, it's getting deeper.
Yes.
And there's a place there, mountains like this, and it's drop down. Wow, what a fishing there. Beautiful.
That's not what they call red rocks, is it?
Yeah, up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fished there with my mate, not now, years ago. And just these beautiful big breaks there.
Yeah.
And it's night time, there's a lot of centipedes. They're running everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. And mosquitoes. Yeah.
We have the gas lamp and
Yes.
centipedes going through my legs. Hey, what's going on here? Yeah.
Yeah.
But we didn't have any problem because we didn't touch them or anything. We just let them run.
Yeah. But the bream are big, aren't they? They're great. They're great
Very
fighting.
big, yeah. Very big. Now there's a law, I think. I just read the book the other day. You only take 6.
Yeah, well, fair enough. That's enough.
Yeah. But if you can get them, most of them is 22, 23.
Yeah.
They're not the 25. It's very hard to get a 25.
I got a 41 centimetre up there about 5 or 6 years ago.
I got 50.
Oh, did you really?
No, I didn't register.
No. That's like a snapper.
I thought there was a bloody mallow.
Yeah, you'd think it, yeah.
And when I got it very close, and I thought, that snapper. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
When I brought him out, because it was dark, you know, I saw him black then.
So you weren't fishing in the boat then, you were at the side?
I saw my boat.
Yeah, but you weren't fishing in the boat. You get out there, don't you, and go and stand on the shore? Yeah. But on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I know where you are.
No, I never.
It's a few kilometres down the river, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big prince. Even here it's big prince.
Yeah.
Determined to fish for them. I know people can do it halfway on the journey.
Yeah.
Casting out there. But they're not there. Years ago, all this stuff. It's a lot of homes. River prawns.
Yeah.
You know the river prawns?
Yeah. I know we used to do it as kids, not anymore.
Common JJ.
Netherlands, foreshore.
Now, prawns are very hard to get. Even a couple of people there.
Slowly getting better though now. Slowly. At least the river's moving, it's fresh around here.
Yes, but all I need is to flush out.
Yes.
I remember when the river really get flush out, you know, really you can see it, it's so brown color.
Yeah.
Flush out about 3 kilometers out. After that, get a lot of fish over there.
Yeah.
Get them all away.
You get them all away then?
Mullets,
Yeah.
big bullets, you know, the whole lot. But those days we have a very dry season.
Yeah, those days are gone.
And that's just a lot of people.
A lot more people.
I remember I used to fish on the Norris Bridge. There's nobody there. Nobody's fishing from the shore. Nobody.
Not anymore.
8 o'clock is dead.
Mm.
Absolutely dead, 8 o'clock. And I fish up to 11 o'clock. Every second weekend I used to catch a Malawi.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that right? You wouldn't get it now.
You still get now, but you're looking 1 in 100.
It's a long wait. Yeah,
No,
exactly.
It's one. It's only the Malaways. They're moving two together, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So to catch one, it's possibility to catch another one. But now, these days, you see, in that spot, for instance, you got 20 people. So it's only two fish that can pass through.
Yeah.
So if you're lucky, one of you will probably catch it. Yeah?
Exactly.
Yeah. But in 1968, 69, Canyon Bridge, it used to produce soppies,
Yeah.
which is
Yeah.
that's half size, half a meter. There used to be a lot there. They're coming in. Not now. I don't know what. See, climate's changed.
Everything's changed. Yeah.
More people.
I was born in 1969, so I know it was 44 years ago. Yeah. Just a few years back.
But
Yeah.
if you live in the narrow streets, you get a seal, seal.
Seal, yeah.
I was fishing from the shore, nobody on the shore. I was myself, I had my rods here. And then I can see, I said, oh, it's dolphin. And suddenly, how it came so fast next to me. I was sitting there in the stool here, and it just came in along here to rest. Boy, he was not a big teeth too.
Yeah, and the whiskers. Yeah.
No whiskers.
No whiskers.
The teeth is type of, the big teeth, like.
Yeah.
I just ran back, left everything broke, the whole lot, and I just waited 3/4 of an hour to go out again.
Yeah, you would have scared the fish off.
No, really. Because that night I got another way too. Using squid, a whole squid.
Yeah.
I didn't have it last day. I got a lot of Malaways, but I spent hours and hours. Say for
Dedication. Yeah.
fishing for Malaway here, probably stay up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You get 1 or 2 runs.
Yeah.
And if you're lucky,
Yeah.
you can stay. Big river there.
Yeah, sure.
It goes everywhere. And the harbour used to be good too. Shed.
Yeah. Yeah. They still get a few down there.
Yeah, I used to have a fly.
Yep. Flying gas, yeah.
But, used to go with my friend, but now he doesn't go anymore. So you needed 2 people from that side, to help. If you landed.
Yeah, sure.
Stingray. Stingrays, just landing on the surface, but then catch a line on.
Yeah, I was down at Hamlin Bay, down in between Augusta and Margaret River a few weeks back. There's some beautiful big stingrays there. It's a sanctuary down there now.
Well, stingrays is a bit taster.
Yeah, sure.
But the other way, it takes me here.
Yeah.
What line
You're going to know whether it's going to work or not, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. I using only 25 pounds, but this was big one. And 30 pounds for the rig. That's all. And I landed and shoveled out.
Yes. Well, that's right. He's got a blowy over there, that guy. Plenty of blows. But that hasn't changed. There's still plenty of blowies around it during the day. Oh, they're terrible, aren't
It's not a, okay, people will say, oh, why destroy or whatever and clean up the river. It doesn't. It eats the fellows too.
they? Okay. Hey guys, look at that, they're talking. I've never heard them make noise before.
See, this is magic, yeah?
Yes.
You can see the white feathers.
That's amazing noise they make. They're talking, saying, where's our fish? Feed us now. It's 10 to 5, it's our dinner time.
That's one maybe female or something. Maybe young male too. They're both young.
Yes.
You can see on the back there. They have very fluffy feathers.
Sorry guys, we've got no food for you. You're going to have a fish as well, are you?
Well, night time you might get some, what do you call it?
Taylor.
No, not Taylor. Type of mackerel.
Yeah.
a family of sardines type.
Yeah.
They're quite big, I think. So you should buy it because they're all gone.
Yeah.
But it's good fun to catch.
Yeah.
If they come.
Oh, those slimy mackerel or whatever it is they call them.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's not for eating.
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. Never heard the noises they make before. Sorry guys, no food for you.
The only thing I'm getting annoyed, a lot of people have a lot of lines.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting.
There's lines everywhere. Even in Belmont I go, I have to collect about a dozen of different type of lines.
Yeah.
But I can't understand. You know,
They don't care, mate.
The bin's next to it, right? Roll them up, go in the bin.
They don't care, mate. That's the use.
You leave it, you know. If you don't have a break.
Yeah, they're talking to us.